QuantaGrid D76V-1U, the core of NVIDIA 3rd generation MGX rack-scale platform, NVIDIA Vera Rubin NVL72. QCT AI-accelerated systems powered by NVIDIA Vera Rubin platform are designed for massive AI infrastructure demands, addressing intensive compute power needs such as generative AI and large-scale reasoning workloads. Powered by NVIDIA Vera Rubin platform, the QuantaGrid D76V-1U is based on the new NVIDIA Vera Rubin NVL72 platform and NVIDIA MGX architecture. Offering scalable rack-level solutions, QCT delivers ultimate system modularity and a 100% liquid-cooled design along with NVIDIA's MGX rack-level building blocks to accelerate hyperscale AI factories. Each NVIDIA Rubin GPU provides up to 288 GB of HBM4 memory with nearly triple the memory bandwidth of the previous generation. With 6th generation NVIDIA NVLink, the system delivers double the GPU-to-GPU bandwidth compared to the prior NVLink generation. QuantaGrid D76V-1U supports the NVIDIA BlueField 4 DPU networking and ConnectX 9 Super NIC, offering up to 1.6 TB per second connectivity per GPU and up to 800 gigabits per second InfiniBand or Ethernet bandwidth, ensuring high-efficiency north-south and east-west data movement across AI clusters. The new NVIDIA Vera Rubin NVL72 platform integrates 72 NVIDIA Rubin GPUs and 36 NVIDIA Vera CPUs, scale up AI performance and compute density for next-generation AI factories. 4 large-scale AI clusters built for large language models, AI reasoning, and agentic AI workloads. The QuantaGrid D76V-1U offers a foundation for scaling up computing power for massive AI deployments. For more information, visit qct.io.